Today is Friday, December 23rd, 2022, and it's snowing. We're experiencing about 50 to 60 mile hour winds, and in the United States and Canada, it's rare, but it's a bomb cyclone. And they salted the patio and the sidewalk last night about 4 a.m. You can see that there's not very much on the sidewalk. I don't think they shoveled the snow yet, but they did salt last night about 4 a.m. in the morning, Eastern time. And focusing on the snow, there's a tree across the street, and it's really blowing. Street light. I don't know if you could pick up the sound of the wind, but it's very gusty. It rained last night before midnight, and then it started to ice started to form, and now snow today. Actually, snow after midnight. I'll focus on the tree across the street again. Here's the tree. It's blowing really hard. Well, you know, it blows more in the summertime, the tree across the street, because there's leaves on it. And it moves a lot harder, you know, and I didn't know what dust devils were until I was driving home on Highway 22 in Ontario, Canada, from London, Ontario, Canada to the Blue Water Bridge to where I live in Port Huron, Michigan right now. I live in Port Huron, Michigan. And in the farmland on 402, not 402, I didn't take 402, I took Highway 22, Highway 22. There was dust devils, and they're like little tornadoes, but it was snow. Dust devils are mostly from like the desert or whatever, but these were like dust devils with the snow. There's my garden flag. It says, "Let it snow," and it is. Let it snow. Okay, since today is Friday, December 23rd, I'll get my wreath in. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in 2023. This is, I'll get out here in the snow. This is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan. Bye now. Stay warm.